So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the annoying background of some image that you want to use in maybe some videos or some presentation. Yeah, and but before I show you how, just make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And yeah, so let's go, let's show you how. And actually there is a site that allows you to remove the background. Let's show you which site. It's remove background from image. Yeah, that's it. It's, yeah, as you can see, 100% automatically and free. So here is how. Just pick some image from some meme. Let's say coffin dance, this. Let's download it here. Nope, we don't want to open it. And now just when you're their official site of remove image background, just click here on upload image and search for this, for your image that you want to cut. And as you can see, automatically this program is removing the annoying background, and there's only the people on this image. So you have to download it, and when you open it, let's say photos, yeah, as you can see it's PNG now, and the annoying background is not anymore here. So yeah, that was how to use and how to remove the background, and how to use remove background image. This site is actually cool and free. So if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and as I said, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below in the video and I'll try to respond. And see you in the next video. Bye.